it's like you could see everybody in the arena stood up and they were all clapping for him.
There is the hand from Mario Lemieux, 66 of the Pittsburgh Penguins.
This is a standing ovation for Mario Lemieux here at the Spectrum. It's nice to see.
And here's this guy that flies in the afternoon after having treatments, and he's going to play in a game against the Flyers. So good on them for recognizing that.
They've got a big thing on the screen here. They got a big TV screen here that said, "Welcome back," and had Mario's picture, and now he acknowledges the fans waving his stick.
In that moment, I thought, you know, what he had done had transcended rivalries. I think they all appreciated what he had been through and how hard he must have worked to get himself ready to go back on the ice. And he scores a goal and gets an assist on Kevin Stevens' goal in that game.
You can then shoots and scores. Mario Lemieux drills it in his 40th of the year.
And I know it took you a long time to get here, probably a lot longer than you wanted it to.